Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix a mouse not working issue in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus X keys together to open the menu. Use the down arrow key to move the cursor, and when you reach Device Manager, press Enter. Inside Device Manager, press the Tab key to highlight the cursor, then use the down arrow key to move through the list. When you find mice and other pointing devices, press the right arrow key to expand it. Use the down arrow key again to highlight HID-compliant mouse, then press Enter to open it. Now, press the Tab key until the General tab is highlighted, then press the right arrow key and again press Enter. Keep pressing the Tab key until it highlights the options, and move to the Update Driver option. Press Enter. Using the up and down arrow keys, highlight Search automatically for drivers, then press Enter. Wait for the process, and after that, press the Tab key and then Enter to close the update window. Next, press the Tab key again to move to the Uninstall Device option. Press Enter, and then again press Enter to confirm. At this point, the mouse driver will be uninstalled, so you need to reinstall it manually. Press Alt and the right arrow key to navigate to the Action menu, then press Enter. Use the down arrow key to move to scan for hardware changes and press Enter. Now Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse driver, and your mouse should start working properly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like this video, share it, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more tech tips.